Hi, my name is Ram. I come from a company named Spoosh. Um, Let me get started. The primary agenda of this meeting is going to be two things. One, I'm going to start giving you a brief about our company and what we do and stuff like that, and there will be a demo. Now, before the demo, I'll take you through a structured presentation, which will take probably 10 minutes. After that, we'll spend the rest of the time on the demo. Now, a lot of people would have questions about what Spoosh means, right? And now, Spoosh means it's primarily the meaning of Spoosh, literal meaning of Spoosh is it's tracing humans or animals using any form of stuff they leave behind. It could be litter, footstep, or anything that they would leave behind. Now, we are a company which helps you to trace information from the field and get it back to the cloud. That's where we call ourselves as Spoosh. Our prime mission as Spoosh is to maximize field productivity. Now, how we maximize field productivity? Primarily, there are three things that we do well. One, we help improve the output of the employee. Now, for example, let's say currently you have field employees who is doing at least 3 to 4 jobs a day. We monitor, measure, and help you increase the number of jobs that they would do per day on a daily basis, which automatically increases the output of your employee. Now, then we also do a lot of route optimization for you. Now that the field a field employee is going from one location to another location, we can plan the number of customers. We can do an algorithm where we can create a optimized route for you. Hence, optimize your resource mobilization, where to go, what to do, and how to do is something which we can do it through Spoosh. And because of these two things, you see there's a huge impact in terms of the revenue. It will improve your revenue significantly because generally a field company will spend a lot of money on their field employees, and the more you get output from them, the more profitability the company is going to be, and that's how we say we maximize field productivity. So these are correlated. Maximize field productivity. From field productivity, you will really get greater revenue because we show higher output and we also optimize their performance. Our key advantage when compared to our other other people who actually give similar solutions, there are two key advantages. Now, we believe in this concept called one solution to all field challenges for all verticals. Now, let's say most of the organizations could have multiple field operations. Could be collections, lead generation, pickup and delivery, then document collections, document verifications. It could vary from based on the company to company. What we've observed is every company has different applications. For their sales, they have a lead generation application. For service, there is a service application. For collections, there is a collection application. Now, we believe that you shouldn't have 3 different applications, and we believe one application should be able to do all of these things without really it should be much easier for you to do it rather than maintaining 3 different things and stuff like that, right? So that's our belief in, and that's our key advantage as a company Spoosh. Now, we also believe in a concept called enterprise true mobility. Now, there are companies which says we are a mobility company or an enterprise mobility company, but the core difference is now mobility is very easy when you are always connected to network, but mobility is very difficult when you are in a region where there is no network connectivity. Now, this will happen a lot for your field guys because the field guy doesn't know where he is going. He doesn't know if there is a TV, if there is a telephone tower where he can connect it. Even if he goes to a place there is GPRS or no GPRS, right? So he should be able to finish his work and he should not bother whether he has connectivity or not. Now, that's where we are very different. We believe in this concept of true mobility and we make them truly mobile, right? By actually making them do work anywhere with connectivity or without connectivity, and that's our key signature or key advantage of Spoosh. This is the product called Effort. It's called Effortless Field Force Optimization and Reporting Toolkit, and we will see how this is different from other products that you might have seen in a similar segment, and we will talk about it, how much research has gone behind it and stuff like that. Effort. Now, these are some of the verticals. Now, not all verticals are here. These are some of the verticals that we actually actively do deployments on: service, verification, inquiries, and all of these things. And there are many more. Now, some of things that are not available here are customer verification, account verifications, then you have these cases like cases like this small courier companies or something like that. So there are a lot of cases that we've not probably captured, but any field it should be able to cater to. Now, some of the industries that we already are doing business and we are helping do: collections, banks, poultry, engineering, pharma, agriculture, telcos. These are all the companies where our products are already live. So it's proven. That's why it's proven. What is this whole thing? Why are we different? Before we started this product, we spent a lot of time, doing research about how a typical field operations of any organization could be. A typical field organization could have multiple, stages or multiple, group, or you could categorize into buckets, right? Now we've typically identified there are 6 buckets, or 6 type of field processes within the big process or something like that. Now the first and foremost is work scheduling and dispatching, right? Now this will help you to schedule a field employee based on his location, based on his availability, and all this kind of stuff. Now once you dispatch a person, now once he goes on to the field, he should be able to do activity reporting. Now he's gone to a customer, you asked him to go for a customer visit. Now he should be able to book an order or tell you that he is been to the customer and he has a complaint, or do a collection. Now he should be doing some type of activity. Now there could be many activities similar to that he should be able to do. Third one is about work process, routes, and jobs, right? Now a job is typically an activity or an action that your field guy want you to perform. So you let him know that go do this job and come, right? You will schedule his job and say, okay, go get this job delivered, and he should be able to complete the job and things like that for you. Now the difference between a job and a work process is, job is a single unit, go do it and come back. Now whereas work process is set of multiple steps. Now it could be, okay, like in case of financial, it could be a lead generated, then KYC done, then the account being approved, right? Now that could be a work process. Now the next one is routes. Now when you tell your field guy to go in a certain area, you can create an optimal route so that he can actually go step by step or customer by customer, and then get his job done in a much more optimal way. Now the fourth one is approval management. Now many companies in the field, many companies who have field employees want some type of approval mechanism where he would want to notify. Example, let's say he want to give a discount to his customer for something, and he will apply for a discount, saying for this product the customer is asking for 10% discount, can I give it? Now you should be able to have a configuration where this automatically goes to the manager, or if it is a big amount, then it should go to the next level of manager, and there should be approval process that gets completed, right? And once the get completed, he gets a notification on the mobile saying, my approval is there, and he can commit to the customer. Now the fifth one is monitoring and alerting. Now what it does is, let's say you already asked a employee to go visit a customer at a certain location at 5 o'clock. Now let's say at 4:30 he is 30 kilometers away from the customer. Now you should get some type of notification and alert where you should know that that this person has not gone to the customer, so that you can take corrective measures. Now the corrective measure could be calling the customer that he'll be late, or sending somebody else who is close to the customer. Now that will help you to improve your customer satisfaction. Now the last one is enterprise field messaging. Now you don't want multiple tools, right? WhatsApp to do something and another app for something. So why not why not have a messaging tool which will help you to typically send all the messages, receive messages in one app, right? And the last but not least is, like, you might have a lot of existing systems like SAP and other stuff. Now once you get the data into the server, now this data should automatically move into your existing systems for further processing. It could be your order booking or something like that. So now our solution takes care of the entire process, which we call Field 360, into consideration, and we build this platform around this. Now the best part of this platform is all these stages are highly configurable, so that makes it very easy for you to deploy and configure as per your requirement. Now moving on to the next slide, we already have close to 70 customers who's using Spruce. Now these are some of the customers. Some of the customers include L&T, Mahindra Finance, Pick.me. Generally, we go and ask the customer, why do you really like us? Now they say these are the reasons why they love us. Now one, because it's self-service. Now you give power to customer where they can do everything on their own. Now two, it's very easy to change. Now I want a form, I can create a form. Now I want to add another field, I should be able to add another field. Now it's very easy for me to create this form on the fly and just generate. So it change is much simpler. Because of the kind of tools you give, it gives me a minimum benefit of 30% productivity. At least 30% productivity is gained. Now, prior to this, I used to have my employees do 3 jobs. With this tool, they have started doing 4 jobs, right? And it gives me 100% visibility. I know where they are, what they are doing, what their activities are. Prior to this, they used to give me all excuses saying, okay, I don't have internet connectivity. Oh, I have to go to a internet cafe and I have to do this. But now they have to do it because they don't have excuse unless their battery dies, and which I know that the battery doesn't die, right? And the fifth one is it's comprehensive. You have everything that I ask you for, right? You have everything that I ask you for, so that's why I like you. And the fifth one is scale. You can say, today I have 5 people, tomorrow I have 100 people, and day after tomorrow I scale down to 50 people. You allow me to do it, right? That's the best part of it. And the best part of the whole solution is my field employees has no room to complain because it works everywhere.